Welcome to Product Critique, your go-to channel for smart shopping decisions. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best sheet set: Queen Cotton Breathable Soft, the Amazon Basics Cotton Jersey 4-piece bed sheet set in the elegant oatmeal solid color. Let's explore why this sheet set deserves a spot on your bed. First impressions matter, and the moment you open the packaging, you're greeted with a soft, relaxed cotton texture that feels instantly familiar, almost like your favorite t-shirt. That's no coincidence. These sheets are made from 100% cotton jersey knit, which means they're not just soft, but incredibly cozy and breathable. The kind of fabric that adapts to your body temperature and helps you stay cool and relaxed all night. The queen-sized set includes 4 essential pieces: 1 flat sheet, 1 fitted sheet, and 2 standard pillowcases. Each one crafted with the same care, softness, and comfort. The fitted sheet is especially practical. It's got just the right amount of stretch to fit mattresses up to 14 inches deep. So whether you've got a standard queen or a plush pillow top, the fit is snug, secure, and stays in place without slipping off in the middle of the night. Now let's talk about maintenance, because comfort shouldn't come at the cost of convenience. These sheets are machine washable and dryer safe. No special instructions, no high maintenance care. Toss them in the wash, dry them as usual, and they come out looking just as fresh and feeling just as soft as the day you bought them. Thanks to the cotton jersey knit, air flows freely through the fabric. That's especially helpful for hot sleepers or warmer climates, keeping you from overheating and helping to regulate your body temperature. You'll wake up feeling refreshed, not sweaty. Now you might be wondering about color choices. While we're featuring the oatmeal solid set, the Amazon Basics cotton jersey sheets come in a wide range of colors to match any bedroom decor, from neutral tones to more vibrant options. So whether you like minimal aesthetics or bold statements, there's something here for you. At a price point of $39.99, plus shipping and import fees if you're ordering internationally, this sheet set delivers premium comfort without a premium price tag. For a 4-piece set made of 100% cotton, that's hard to beat. And considering they're sold and shipped directly by Amazon, you know you're getting reliable delivery and a 30-day return policy for peace of mind. If you're someone who values comfort, breathability, and ease of care, this is your match. Whether you're upgrading your guest room, outfitting your college dorm, or refreshing your master bedroom, this set checks all the boxes. And with over 31,000 ratings averaging 4.5 stars, it's clear this set has already won the hearts and beds of thousands. That wraps up our review of the Amazon Basics Cotton Jersey 4-piece bed sheet set. If you're looking for a no-fuss, ultra-comfortable, breathable cotton sheet set that's both functional and stylish, this one deserves a top spot on your shortlist. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more practical product reviews right here on Product Critique. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.